To find your Kraken Solana or SOL wallet address, log into your Kraken account and then search for Solana, right? Or you can find it right here on the watch list, right? After you search for Solana, what you're gonna do, just hit deposit, okay? And then what you're gonna do, hit I understand and copy the SOL deposit address, okay? And once you generate, or once the SOL generated a deposit address, to view your unique address, use it by copying the address or scan the QR code and use it to receive SOL from an external wallet or exchange. So if I'm going to Phantom wallet and I want to basically send Solana from Phantom to Kraken, I'm gonna hit send on Phantom wallet. I'm gonna select Solana and paste the address and hit next and enter the amount of Solana you want to sell, or basically send, excuse me. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to verify your email and all that stuff to receive Solana faster. See you in the next one.